Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's lesson is 100 English sentences you must know for daily conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Good morning. How are you today? Once again. Good morning. How are you today? Sentence number 2. I'm doing well, thank you. Repeat. I'm doing well, thank you. Sentence number 3. It's nice to meet you. Repeat. It's nice to meet you. Sentence number 4. How was your day? Repeat. How was your day? Sentence number 5. What have you been up to lately? Repeat. What have you been up to lately? Sentence number 6. I'm glad to hear that. Repeat. I'm glad to hear that. Sentence number 7. Could you please help me? Repeat. Could you please help me? Sentence number 8. Thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. Sentence number 9. You're welcome. Repeat. You're welcome. Sentence number 10. I really appreciate it. Repeat. I really appreciate it. Excellent work. Let's continue. Excuse me. Repeat. Excuse me. Sentence number 12. I'm sorry. Repeat. I'm sorry. Sentence number 13. No problem at all. Repeat. No problem at all. Sentence number 14. That sounds great. Repeat. That sounds great. Sentence number 15. I completely agree. Repeat. I completely agree. Sentence number 16. I don't think so. Repeat. I don't think so. Sentence number 17. Let me think about it. Repeat. Let me think about it. Sentence number 18. Could you repeat that, please? Repeat. Could you repeat that, please? Sentence number 19. I didn't catch that. Repeat. I didn't catch that. Sentence number 20. Can you speak a little slower? Repeat. Can you speak a little slower? Fantastic. Let's move on. What do you mean? Repeat. What do you mean? Use this sentence when you need clarification or want someone to explain further. Sentence number 22. That's interesting. Repeat. That's interesting. Use this phrase to show interest in what someone is saying. Sentence number 23. I've never thought about that before. Repeat. I've never thought about that before. Use this when someone shares a new idea or perspective. Sentence number 24. I understand what you're saying. Repeat. I understand what you're saying. Use this phrase to show that you understand someone's point. Sentence number 25. That makes sense. Repeat. That makes sense. Use this when something is logical and easy to understand. How can I improve? Repeat. How can I improve? Use this sentence when asking for feedback or advice. Sentence number 27. I'd like to learn more. Repeat. I'd like to learn more. Use this phrase to express interest in a topic. Sentence number 28. That's a good question. Repeat. That's a good question. A useful response before answering someone's question. Sentence number 29. What do you recommend? Repeat. What do you recommend? Use this when asking for suggestions or advice. Sentence number 30. I'll give it a try. Repeat. I'll give it a try. Use this phrase when you're willing to attempt something new. Excellent work. Let's continue. I'm running late. Repeat. I'm running late. Use this sentence when you are delayed and may arrive later than expected. Sentence number 32. I'll be there soon. Repeat. I'll be there soon. Use this phrase to let someone know you're on your way. Sentence number 33. See you later. Repeat. See you later. A common way to say goodbye. Sentence number 34. Have a great day. Repeat. Have a great day. Use this friendly phrase when parting ways. Sentence number 35. Take care. Repeat. Take care. A warm expression used when saying goodbye. Sentence number 36. What time is it? Repeat. What time is it? Use this when asking for the current time. Sentence number 37. I'm on my way. Repeat. I'm on my way. Use this phrase when traveling to meet someone. Sentence number 38. Let's get started. Repeat. Let's get started. Use this phrase to begin an activity or task. Sentence number 39. Are you ready? Repeat. Are you ready? Use this question before beginning something. Sentence number 40. Let's do it. Repeat. Let's do it. A positive phrase used to show enthusiasm and readiness. Fantastic. Let's move on. I'm excited about this. Repeat. I'm excited about this. Use this sentence when you're looking forward to something. Sentence number 42. I'm feeling a little nervous. Repeat. I'm feeling a little nervous. Use this phrase when you're slightly anxious or worried. Sentence number 43. Everything will be fine. Repeat. Everything will be fine. Use this sentence to comfort and reassure someone. Sentence number 44. Don't worry about it. Repeat. Don't worry about it. Use this phrase to help someone feel less concerned. Sentence number 45. You can do it. Repeat. You can do it. A motivational phrase used to encourage someone. Keep going. Repeat. Keep going. Use this phrase to encourage persistence. Sentence number 47. Never give up. Repeat. Never give up. A powerful phrase about perseverance. Sentence number 48. That's impressive. Repeat. That's impressive. Use this when someone has done something remarkable. Sentence number 49. Well done. Repeat. Well done. A common way to praise someone's achievement. Sentence number 50. Congratulations. Repeat. Congratulations. Use this phrase when celebrating someone's success. Excellent. You're halfway through the lesson. Sentence number 51. What are your plans for today? Repeat. What are your plans for today? Use this question to ask about someone's schedule. Sentence number 52. I'm looking forward to it. Repeat. I'm looking forward to it. Use this phrase when you're excited about a future event. Sentence number 53. That sounds like fun. Repeat. That sounds like fun. Use this when someone suggests an enjoyable activity. Sentence number 54. I'd love to join you. Repeat. I'd love to join you. Use this phrase when accepting an invitation. Sentence number 55. Maybe next time. Repeat. Maybe next time. A polite way to decline an invitation. Sentence number 56. Let's stay in touch. Repeat. Let's stay in touch. Use this phrase when you want to keep communicating with someone. Sentence number 57. It was great seeing you. Repeat. It was great seeing you. A friendly sentence used after meeting someone. Sentence number 58. Thanks for your time. Repeat. Thanks for your time. Use this phrase to show appreciation. Sentence number 59. I appreciate your help. Repeat. I appreciate your help. A polite way to thank someone. Sentence number 60. Have a safe trip. Repeat. Have a safe trip. Use this phrase when someone is traveling. Excellent progress. What do you think? Repeat. What do you think? Use this question when asking for someone's opinion. Sentence number 62. In my opinion. Repeat. In my opinion. Use this phrase when expressing your own thoughts or viewpoint. Sentence number 63. I totally agree with you. Repeat. I totally agree with you. Use this sentence when you strongly agree with someone. Sentence number 64. I see your point. Repeat. I see your point. Use this phrase to show that you understand another person's perspective. Sentence number 65. That's true. Repeat. That's true. Use this phrase when you agree that something is correct. I'm not sure about that. Repeat. I'm not sure about that. Use this sentence when you have doubts or uncertainty. Sentence number 67. Could you explain further? Repeat. Could you explain further? Use this question when you need more information. Sentence number 68. That's a good idea. Repeat. That's a good idea. Use this phrase to support a suggestion. Sentence number 69. Let's talk about it. Repeat. Let's talk about it. Use this phrase when you want to discuss something in more detail. Sentence number 70. We'll figure it out. Repeat. We'll figure it out. Use this phrase to express confidence in finding a solution. Excellent work. Let's continue. I'm just checking in. Repeat. I'm just checking in. Use this phrase when contacting someone to see how they are doing. Sentence number 72. How have you been? Repeat. How have you been? Use this question when speaking to someone you haven't seen for some time. Sentence number 73. It's been a while. Repeat. It's been a while. Use this phrase when you haven't met someone recently. Sentence number 74. Long time no see. Repeat. Long time no see. A friendly expression used when meeting someone after a long period. Sentence number 75. I'm happy to hear that. Repeat. I'm happy to hear that. Use this phrase when someone shares good news. Sorry to hear that. Repeat. Sorry to hear that. Use this phrase when someone shares bad news. Sentence number 77. I hope things get better. Repeat. I hope things get better. Use this sentence to express care and concern. Sentence number 78. Take your time. Repeat. Take your time. Use this phrase when there is no need to hurry. Sentence number 79. No rush. Repeat. No rush. A casual way of saying there is plenty of time. Sentence number 80. Whenever you're ready. Repeat. Whenever you're ready. Use this phrase to let someone proceed at their own pace. Fantastic progress. Only 20 more sentences to go. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. A common way to agree with a suggestion. Sentence number 84. Count me in. Count me in. Use this phrase when you want to participate. Sentence number 85. I'm available tomorrow. I'm available tomorrow. Use this sentence when discussing schedules. Sentence number 86. Let's make a plan. Repeat. Let's make a plan. Use this phrase when organizing an activity. Sentence number 87. I'll let you know. Repeat. I'll let you know. Use this phrase when you'll provide information later. Sentence number 88. Please keep me updated. Repeat. Please keep me updated. Use this phrase when requesting updates. Sentence number 89. Looking forward to hearing from you. Repeat. Looking forward to hearing from you. A common phrase used in emails and conversations. Sentence number 90. Talk to you soon. Repeat. Talk to you soon. A friendly way to end a conversation. Excellent. Let's finish strong. Have a wonderful weekend. Repeat. Have a wonderful weekend. Use this phrase before the weekend begins. Sentence number 92. Enjoy your day. Repeat. Enjoy your day. A friendly and positive expression. Sentence number 93. Wishing you all the best. Repeat. Wishing you all the best. Use this phrase to express good wishes. Sentence number 94. Good luck with everything. Repeat. Good luck with everything. Use this sentence when encouraging someone. Sentence number 95. Thank you for listening. Repeat. Thank you for listening. A useful phrase when ending a presentation or conversation. It was a pleasure meeting you. Repeat. It was a pleasure meeting you. Use this phrase after meeting someone for the first time. Sentence number 97. I hope to see you again. Repeat. I hope to see you again. Use this phrase when saying goodbye warmly. Sentence number 98. Let's keep learning. Repeat. Let's keep learning. A motivational phrase for language learners. Sentence number 99. Practice makes perfect. Repeat. Practice makes perfect. A popular saying that reminds us that improvement comes through practice. Sentence number 100. See you in the next lesson. Repeat. See you in the next lesson. A perfect closing sentence for today's lesson. Congratulations! You have just practiced 100 useful English sentences. Fantastic job! Today you learned and practiced 100 useful English sentences for daily conversations. Remember, the key to improving your English is consistent practice. Don't just watch this lesson once. Come back and practice these sentences regularly until they become natural and comfortable to use. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Treats for more English lessons, vocabulary, communication skills, and speaking practice. Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep improving, and most importantly, keep speaking English. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!